So about a month ago, Alkaline dropped one new song that I've been playing and repeat ever since. And, well, it had me thinking. Oh, you mean people that don't know says your boy Yaadman, Etan, and for the new visitors to this channel, or the people them who just have not subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe and keep the vibe turned on, the notification bell. Click the link in the bio for localmotive.t/Yaadman to buy your own fresh Yaadman merchandise. And please stay strapped in and prepare for this advertisement right here. So instead of doing like a song review type of thing, I wanted to open up about something kind of hard to talk about. I wanted to open up about heartbreak. And you see, as a man, people need to understand say men actually experience heartbreak. I've seen my father go through it, and I've experienced heartbreak probably around 3 times in my life. I must say that those experiences have really taught me things later on in life. And it's kind of unfortunate to say that I think I have a black heart now. No, not to say that I don't love nobody, but it's really hard for me right now, especially at this stage in my life, to really say, I'm gonna fall in love again. It's the first time I was heartbroken, my first love, my first girlfriend. And I remember that her father come to Jamaica, she hasn't seen him in a long time. So when he was leaving, I decided that I was going to go to the airport. Now for the people them who know anything about Jamaica, I'm talking the Norman Manley International Airport. Alright? And I was leaving from Bulby with my brethren. And he told me that he was not going to make me go there by myself. So he did follow me. But guess what? By the time we walked from Bulby go to Harbour View, we not on a bus fare. So guess what? We walked the whole of Palisades Road and everything was over 10 miles. You see me? Just for reach at the airport, just so I could meet her father, shake him hand, tell him say I love him daughter, and try to give her a shoulder to cry on. Now, her mother offered me and my brethren a drive back to my house, and by the time we get back to the house, he told me that he saw her texting a youth in the front seat telling him that she wished that she was with him. My second heartbreak came around probably like 2 years after that. Girlfriend I had at the time, 2 years been together. And I remember that one day she asked me to check her Facebook for something for her. Lo and behold, I saw a message from this other youth that she claimed was just a friend, but she was telling him that she wished that she was with him. But boy, may I tell you, when I came to America, things was just rough and fast and just crazy. Can you imagine that you actually take a girl out on a date, but the only time she ever meets you is when she want to get her belly full and she save your name in her phone as free food? Can you imagine that? But when you can actually cook like me, and these girls only ever know you when they're hungry. No, my last great heartbreak, this was just a couple months ago. And boy, what can I say? She just never communicated with me. And it just fell through. That last one really messed me up. At that time when I was really heartbroken to the point where I had to go home for like a while to really recover, you see me? But it really make you think. Have you ever been done dirty so many times that you start to wonder if you're a real person? You see, when you've been done dirty so many times and you start to wonder if you're a real person, you start to become jaded. You get jaded to the point where any girl who you know have any type of remote interest in you, so them just go there for waste your time. Them just go come pay all this money for take them out on dates, and they're not going to deliver anything in return. Them just want you to cook oxtail for them. Oh no. This is my time. You see me? At my time now. You cook me food, you take me on a date if you interested in a me. Me not no more time for waste, yo. And let me just say this for the record. I'm not here talking bad about woman and all them things. I'm just saying. Men experience legitimate heartbreak as well. Heart broke like glass buckle in a concrete wall. Meds mash like when KFC tell you say chicken done. Vibes broke like your bank account after your rent pay. Sometimes it gets so bad that every girl that you start to see afterwards, you just feel like the whole of them a demon. Like the first thing you try to figure out when you meet a nice girl, yo, what is wrong with you? Why are you here trying to waste my time right now? We know how the whole understand. Enough girl love for make it a thing. Them love for stress out good youths just to see how strong they are. That is mental abuse sometimes, alright? Like ladies, calm down, please. And sometimes some women wonder why the man them treat them so bad. Well, the man them hurt. So you see, the first step to developing a black heart is, well, you become jaded. You see, after you become jaded, and well, you know, you get the strength where you can do road again, but you don't want, you know, the relationship thing. Have you ever been in this position?
Yo, that was fan-freaking-tastic.
I have something to ask you.
Yeah, what's that?
What are we?
What are we? Yeah. We are two separate individuals.
But I
Yes.
know, that's not what I mean. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
What are we?
We are two separate individuals that just participated in some fantastic hanky-panky. Yes.
Hey, Dad. We've been talking for 3 months. I
Yeah.
really like you. I think we should take it to the next level.
Wait, hold on, my virgin calling me. Hold on. Yo, hello? Wait, what you say? Right now, brother? Yep. What? You did on the highway and crashing on an airplane, brother? Jeez, Pete. What you say? Alright. We soon come. Yo, I'm so sorry. I have to go. My virgin, he's in trouble.
So how is you call?
Listen, him crash the car in a one lake. I don't know how that
You
happened.
can't call somebody to go and get him?
No man, him good man. Like no. Me have to go and get him. You understand?
How is you?
Yeah.
How you put on your clothes so far?
Listen. We call it later. All right.
Yeah?
We call it later.
Where you going?
You were great though. Sometimes you're in this position and well, you never know that she was looking at man. Isn't me? If you didn't know that she was looking at man from early in the beginning, you don't know how to manage the situation. But better you don't let her know. Say, yo, me not in the relationship right now, but you were great though. Like yeah, you're cool. You know, we can Netflix and chill. You know, maybe, but it becomes a thing where your walls are so high up guarding your heart because you're not in the foolishness with people. Because sometimes you need time for you to get to know somebody. And it's unfortunate that you could deal with somebody for even 2 years and you still don't know who they are. You could be married to somebody for almost 10 years and you don't know who they are. Or maybe you do, but you're just ignoring the obvious that they're not good for you. But you still give the benefit of the doubt. You still open up your heart to these people. You know, for me, in my case, I've given my heart to a couple ladies before, but them crush it. How prevalent it is that when you open up to a girl, it's in a 2019, that them just going to want to try to take advantage of you. Then something happens when you find that one good girl that is somehow able to stick through your bush and is able to tear your walls down, and you feel as if, yo, I think I can actually love this girl again. You're so scared because you know that as you tear those walls away and you give her your heart, And you know that in that position, you can give her so much love. But she can inflict so much pain. And then you realize the reason why them call it bun.
Why you feel them call it bun? Because it's that on the song. Yeah, you good?
Yeah, okay.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, alright.
Come on, I can go to the bathroom.
Come on. Everything alright?
Yeah.
Yo, babes, you know, so somebody had I message you.
Who that messaging me?
Oh. What? Wait, who name babes?
You, of course.
You take man feed it.
No, it's you.
You take man feed it.
No.
How you expect me if I text you? I'm right here, so. I'm me not text you.
It's my friend.
Is your friend? Is your friend? Say,
It's my friend.
No, you don't want me to call you right now.
No, don't call him.
Stop. Hello. Yo, I which only there come talk to me. Daddy?
It's not your father.
It's not my father.
It's not your father.
So when you call me daddy, you think about my daddy?
No.
Yo, you know what?
Of course not.
You know what? My gun.
No, please don't go. No, where you going?
No, my gun. You don't take everything from me already. I know you have to take my own father. My gun.
What go on? At least your father is a real man.
And then you're back to square one. You set up back your walls even higher than usual. You make them harder to tear down. And you don't know if you'll ever find love again. And all that you're left with is a black heart. I'm not saying never to love again and never to put yourself in a position to give your heart to somebody. Be careful who you give your heart to. Be careful who you spend your time with. Because not everyone out there love you for you. Maybe them just love you for the moment. Or them love you for what you can get. But as far as I'm concerned right now, I think I'm done.
Yo, man, I know what them did to my heart. Can't love nobody, serve plus on that. But just a live, just a walk. Just like a chew, some spark,